Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tip that I found when I was browsing YouTube that can be applied to this 3-pound combat robot. So, you have a shaft and you want to fit an 608 bearing on it. So the shaft's got to be 8 millimeters, but you're forced to print it in a vertical orientation for whatever reason it is. And unfortunately, because it's printed in this vertical orientation, this happens way too easily. You have two options to make it not snap like that. The first option is to print it horizontally, and I have it right here. But you can see you have to create these cutouts for nice clean surfaces, because remember, 3D printing can't do super good circular geometries due to the nature of layer lines. So you have to kind of sacrifice some material for quality, and you need to use supports, and that can leave some scarring like so. Or the second option, which I found, and I'll link a video to my inspiration here, is basically you can embed a screw, a literal screw that spans the shaft, and just have a nut on the other end to screw it in nice and tight. And this is an M3 by 40 screw, a very typical screw you can find at a hardware store, and this is not breaking anytime soon. Maybe the plastic will break. You can see I've got it to crack, but I'm working on it with all my force. The thing is, structurally, the shaft is still there, and the bearing will probably still be on there and roll, even though maybe the plastic is already cracking because I'm putting so much force on it, but structurally, it's fine. And that's awesome for combat robots, because even though there might be a little blemish, we still need it to be structurally sound to finish the fight. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. Whether you need high quality PCBs, CNC machining, 3D printing, or injection molding, PCBWay has got you covered. Their fast turnaround and great pricing make them my go-to for prototyping and custom parts. Check them out at PCBWay.com, link in the description.